Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. So I have a PR package here from MEFA. I believe that's how you say it. I actually looked it up on Amazon. Founded in 2017, MEFA comes from meat fashion. So that's where the name comes from, meat fashion. So I'm thinking it's MEFA, which is cool. But yeah, they reached out to me and asked if I'd like to try some of their gel polishes. So they sent me this, and look at this. Look at this packaging, how pretty. This is the Perfect 20+3 gel polish kit. Yeah, it just says their name there. Unlock the new trends in nail art. Multicolor gel nail set. Feel free to match and create your own unique color nail art. Yeah, same thing there. And let's see. And it just says the 23-piece gel set. I'm not sure what colors there are. They just sent it to me. I don't know what colors. Got all the polishes here. Oh, wow. So we have this little brochure, Perfect Gel Polish. All right, so let's see here. So we do get, these are 5 ml bottles. Soak off UV LED. This is a top coat. Oh, I like that. It's a little bit of a thick top coat, which is good. And we get the matte top coat. Again, about the same consistency. And then we also get a base coat. So yeah, that's cool. So let's see the colors. Look at all these colors here. Ooh, that's pretty. Yeah, look at that. It looks thick, but not too thick. We get a white. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, that's a real pretty white. And then I want to see, this looks like a glitter. This one here, number 16, looks like it might be a glitter. Oh, yeah, look at that. Ooh, that's pretty. It's a silver with a bunch of like rainbow glitters. How pretty. This one too looks like a glitter. Ooh, oh gosh, that's a gold. Wow. A gold shimmer. Ooh, that's super pretty. That's gonna be good for Christmas. But yeah, I like the variety of colors. So we're gonna go ahead and get these swatched. I'll probably just swatch like 1 or 2. I'll do like 1 regular color and then like 1 glitter just to see the consistency and stuff. And then I'll probably just show you guys all the colors. So yeah, let me get that all set up. All right, so I got all my swatch sticks. It was funny because I grabbed some out of this bag. I just grabbed like a handful and it happened to be exactly 20. So I was like, that's cool. So I always go ahead and swatch, put base coat on my swatch sticks just because I've had it happen where I've had them hanging over here and the polishes fall off. They chip off. So I always go ahead and use base coat. So I'm just going to show you one with the base coat so we can see the consistency here. Make sure it's clean because I always end up with stuff on my swatch sticks. Oh yeah, I like it. Seems really good. It's thick, but not too thick. But look at that. It makes it look real shiny and pretty. All right, so that took a little bit of time putting the base coat and putting the little labels, but it's fun. I love doing it. So, all right, so I'm gonna show just a couple colors because it would take forever to, you know, to swatch all these, but trying to see, I want to see the brown. Ooh, this is a pretty brown. Oh, it's different. A different kind of brown. Almost looks like it has a gray I don't know if that makes sense. I don't know. It's just really pretty. I like the consistent, but see, look at, there's always stuff on the swatch sticks and I wipe them. I don't understand. It's like the weirdest thing. 16 here. This one just looks gorgeous.
Really pretty. Look at that, how pretty is that? All that shimmer in there.
I'm gonna do 2 coats. I always like to do 2 coats of the gel polish, but look at that, how pretty. Oh my goodness. The colors swatched here, they are absolutely gorgeous. Look at the variety, oh my goodness. All right, so these are the first 5 here. Look how pretty. The white is a real bright white. These 2 are a little bit similar. This is more of an orange, this is more of like a coral. And then this pink is a little bit jelly. I did do 2 coats, but look at that. And then we have the next 5 here. This is 6 through 10. All right, these are the next colors here. This blue is gorgeous. I think I'm gonna use that in the brown in a set. I think, I'm not sure because there's so many. But this is that purple that I love, and I did it matte. So that's what it looks like matte. The matte is really pretty. And then these 2 are jelly. We have a yellow jelly and then the green. Look at that green, how pretty. This is 15 through 20. This purple is, oh my gosh, so pretty too. That's that glitter, that gold. So yeah, I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do for my set. And yeah, and then I'll be right back. So I decided to do some press-ons, and I'm using these I believe they're the medium square from Couture, and I'm just using a buffer here just to lightly roughen up the surface, and then I'm just dusting that off there. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a coat of base coat, and I'm going to cure all these for 60 seconds. Alright, so I'm going to be using number 11. I'm going to be doing that on the pinky. I'm trying to think which fingers I'm going to do. The pinky, the index, and the thumb. The middle and the ring is what I'm going to do, attempt to do the plaid design. And those are going to be white as the background. So I'm going to do 2 coats of the blue, and then we're going to cure that for 60 seconds. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and do these matte. I want to do a matte set. I don't really do matte at all, but for some reason, I don't know. It seems like fall nails just look real pretty matte, and especially the plaid. Alright, so this is what it looks like matte. I think it looks super pretty. This color is just gorgeous. Alright, so for the middle and the ring finger, I'm going to be going with the 02, and that's the white. Going to do 2 coats, and then we're going to apply the matte top coat also. Alright, so I have my polishes here. I'm going to attempt to do a plaid. I did a practice one yesterday, but I don't like the way it came out. I need to do some of the lines thicker. You're supposed to do some thick, some thin. So I watched a tutorial from V Nailed It. She did a plaid set not that long ago. So I'm just kind of watching what she does, and yeah, so we'll see how it turns out. So I'm not going to be talking. I'm just going to have you guys just watch. Like I said, I'm not good at nail art at all. I found this brush from Shein, and it comes in a 3-pack, and this seems to work for me good to do the lines somewhat straight. Yeah, I'm still having problems with my lines. Like I said, I am not a artist at all. I can't even draw on paper, but I want to try to get into it. So the only way we're going to get good is practice. So yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and be doing that. Alright, so I just wanted to come in here and say I did have fun doing this. It did take me quite a while, like a few hours just to do 2 nails because yeah, I kept messing up, had to go in and fix it, and then I had to leave to like pick up my kids and stuff, so it did take a little while, but I did have fun, and I am going to continue to practice my nail art. So we're coming to the end of the plaid part here. I just showed one nail. And so these are the finished nails here. Well, not finished completely, but with the plaid. And I just went ahead and did all the nails matte. So now I'm just applying some stickers, just a few little fall leaf stickers to the blue nails. And then I'm going to go over that again with the matte just to encapsulate the sticker there. But yeah, this blue is just, oh, it's just gorgeous. I think it's super cute. I don't know, just something about it. I was like, I have to do that with the brown, and then with the gold, I just thought it went really good as, like, you know, fall colors. But yeah, I really like these polishes. They were very nice to work with. The consistency was good. I like the base coat, the matte top coat. I really enjoyed that. So yeah, these polishes are excellent. I'm going to go ahead and link everything down below. And then these are the finished nails here. I'm going to go ahead and put them on, and this is the finished set here, and I think they came out really cute. The plaid is of course not the best, but I'm going to keep practicing that. But I just want to thank MEFA for sending these polishes, a great variety of colors in the kit. I really enjoyed it. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And like I said, I'm going to leave everything linked down below, so go ahead and check them out. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye.